Alright everyone, this is Contagion with another video. So, let's go ahead and... this video is about a new program that I made that while I was on vacation, when I wasn't at the beach and I was stuck inside the hotel with slow internet, just able to check my email, I decided to go ahead and create this. So, here is the link. It's http://www.myonlineplayground.com/downloads/capital B lowercase v 01.exe. And what that will get you is my encrypted email browser. So yes, when I started it, it requires administrator, and you guys are going to ask why. And the reason why is because of Microsoft again. Incorporated into this is the Microsoft Web browser control, and it defaults to Internet Explorer 7 unless you detect the current version and then do the appropriate registry setting to force it to run with the latest version, which is why you have to run it as administrator, because without administrator you cannot mess with your registry setting to enable that. So let's go ahead and maximize this thing here, and it will remember the maximize. Let's go ahead and do a real quick overview. You have back, you have forward, home, refresh, and go. Right now it's blank because I have not yet set a page. So let's go ahead and set it to Gmail. And here I am. I'm going to go ahead and right click, and I'm going to go ahead and click set home. And we have now saved it. So if I go to Google, I can now go home. I can go back. I can go forward. Alright, so what is this menu that pops up? Well, this is the reason for having the web browser built in. And so if you go to the bottom right hand corner here, you'll see this little word that says custom. If you click it, it now has default. And default will bring up the default pop-up box. Let's go back to custom because that's why we're here. And let's jump in the email real quick. And I'll show you what this is supposed to do. So we're going to go ahead and compose, and we're going to go to me. My subject is going to be my new recipe because I've already done it once. And we're going to change this to 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of sugar, and 1 cup of my secret ingredient. Oh my god. So basically, now if I want to send this off, I can right click, and once I set my password, and I'm going to set it to Contagion, I can encrypt it. And there it is, encrypted. I can decrypt it. There it is. I can encrypt just the secret ingredient, and then reselect that whole section and decrypt that section. And that's pretty much what this program will do. Basically, everything has an element on a web browser. You have your body, your different tags, and this grabs the current active element, and it will grab the text and encrypt it. Does it work all the time? No, and I'll show you the example of when, but that's why the program does multiple things, and I will show that as well. So I'm going to go ahead and we're going to encrypt this, and we're going to send it. So now, and inbox, come on, you can do it. Sent mail. I swear sometimes Gmail is slow. Let's go to sent mail. Same thing. I can right click. I can go decrypt, and it will decrypt my message. Now, is it completely decrypted? No. If I go back here, it is still encrypted. It's just that I told it to decrypt it. I can select it, and I can go to decrypt selected, and this time it's going to pop it open. The reason why is because it can't change what's already been there. So it detects that, and it will just pop up and say, here's what it was supposed to be. So that's pretty much it. Now I'm going to show you where, and there it goes right there. Yeah, decrypt it. I'm going to log out, and I'm going to show you where it does not work properly, and you have to use another method. Because Microsoft, again, decided to use frames and all this other BS, and I could search and find and dig deep into their frames and all that good stuff, but I won't do that. So I create the other way. So here you go. Subject is my secret recipe. And 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of my secret ingredient. Alright. Oh, this is what I was talking about. You click encrypt, it will not work. However, if you highlight it, you can still encrypt the selected text. And you can decrypt the selected text. So that is where that comes into play because of Microsoft. Another thing you can do is go down to custom and make it your default and copy. And then go to EPAD at the bottom of the corner. And EPAD is like your encryption pad. And you can paste it in there. And you can even edit it to say, you know, hello, how are you? And now you can encrypt it, copy it, close it, and paste it. There you go. And then we can go back to custom, and I can decrypt it. Decrypt selected text. There you go. Hello, how are you? And I can re-encrypt the selected text. Anyway, let me go ahead and send this out. And we're going to wait for Microsoft to say that we've got something new. Or we can go to the sent box and jump in. But do. There we go. It finally pops in. Now this one is different. You can actually decrypt it straight from there. You can actually encrypt it straight from there. But let's go ahead and decrypt it. And then if you go back to your inbox, Microsoft saves that you've decrypted it. However, just to show you, it is still encrypted. You're just seeing it as decrypted. And how do I know that? Because when you log back in, your message is still encrypted. It's just what you see. So again, I can decrypt the selected, and I can encrypt it. No big deal. Over and over and over and over. Nothing changed. If I log out, it will still be the same message no matter how many times I encrypt and decrypt and decrypt and encrypt and add it and add it and add it. That's just the way that it goes. So there you go. If you need to do something on your own, just go to EPAD, type in whatever you want, and it still uses the same password in here. Okay. And you can encrypt it, copy it, paste it wherever you want. You know, if I wanted to go Notepad, I can paste it in there and save it. I can copy it. Just to show you this, I can copy it from a file. Go to EPAD, paste it, and I can decrypt it in here. So there you go. Multiple different options, but the actual easiest, honest way to do it if you were going to send a message is just log in, type it, encrypt it, and send it. That's it.